Hi, this is Alice from SIB Visions with an overview of how you can duplicate a record in a table. I will again use the styled invoice application that you can download from the Solution Store. We'll use the customer list table that I have created here, but you can, of course, use any other table. Now, let's go to Design Mode and add a button. I'll name the button Duplicate and assign an action to it. I select Duplicate Selected Record from the drop-down and choose the table in which I want to duplicate the selected row. But sometimes, after you have duplicated a row, you may want to set certain values in your new record instead of copying everything with the same information. For example, you may want to have a unique value for each new customer. To do that, we select the Make Value Unique action from the drop-down and choose the column. Click Finish to complete defining the actions for the button and close Design Mode to test the button. If we now click Duplicate, all of the information on the selected row is copied, but the customer name is assigned a new unique value. Thank you so much for watching.